Hi, today I'll show you the Bytnex personal account, go through every tab and explain what's where. This is a full guide for new users of the platform.
This is the main Bytnex dashboard. There are three key sections here. On the left, Overview, Balance, Wallet, your available balance for purchases and withdrawals. And below that, you can see your wallet transaction history, last deposit, last withdrawal, referral rewards, and the total. In the center, Overview, total staked balance, the total amount working in staking, staking profit, and earnings history, updated daily. You can see the numbers for the last week and the last month. On the right, Overview, active staking pools, the number of your active contracts broken down by type, DeFi 24, DeFi 36, DeFi 60, and DeFi 84. This gives you an instant picture of your portfolio structure. Now let's take a look at the contracts section and see what plans are available to buy. On the Apply DeFi Hybrid Contracts page, we can see four main plans based on duration: 24, 36, 60, and 84 months. Each plan has a single contract for $100 and a bundle option, 15 contracts for $1,000. That's 50% bonus contracts right at the start. DeFi 24, the shortest term, 2 years, perfect for those who want to test the platform. DeFi 36, 3 years, a midterm option with higher returns. DeFi 60, 5 years, a balance between duration and compounding, with 1% held for the Green Planet Fund. DeFi 84, 7 years, maximum returns and the longest lockup period. For beginners, I recommend the DeFi 24 pack. Short term, no Green Planet deduction, and 15 contracts instead of 10. To make a purchase, you need funds in your balance, so let's head over to the deposit section. The Deposit tab. Bytnex accepts two types of crypto, Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. The minimum deposit for both is $25. The platform fee is 3% for BTC and 1% for BCH. Processing requires 3 network confirmations. I'll cover the full step-by-step guide on how to make a deposit in a separate video. Deposit Overview, the full history of all your deposits. Each transaction shows the date, amount, confirmation status, and hash. You can check any transaction through a blockchain explorer. Withdraw, the Withdrawal tab. In the Or Enter Your Amount field, enter the amount you want to withdraw, minimum $100. In the Beneficiaries Information block, in the Withdraw To field, enter your Bitcoin address. Below, in the Repeat Your Bitcoin Wallet Address field, enter the same address again to confirm. Withdraw Overview, the history of all your withdrawals. Date, amount, destination address, status, and transaction hash. You can also verify everything through a blockchain explorer. All withdrawals are saved in this section permanently, so you can access any transaction even years later, for reporting or verification purposes. Internal transfer. Transfers between Bytnex accounts. Handy if you have multiple wallets or want to send funds to another user on the platform. No fees, instant execution. In the Enter Beneficiary Bytnex account field, you can enter either the user's ID or their email. In the comment field, you can write a note about the transfer or just leave it blank. Internal Transfer Overview, the full history of all internal transfers, including incoming and outgoing transactions. Complete transparency on how funds move between accounts. Each record includes the date, amount, and the sender's or recipient's ID. My Referral tab, Bytnex's referral program. It's a 7-level structure with dual progression. You earn from direct referrals in the first line, and from the deep structure all the way down to the 20th line. On the left, your direct referrals in the first line, and the leader program with progress up to 100 active contracts. In the center, referrals from the 2nd to the 20th line by levels. On the right, Overview. Incomes. Total. The total amount earned through the referral program, broken down by reward types. The referral reward is paid every time your referral activates a contract. $100 gets distributed through the structure right away. Below is my invite link. I hit copy link and invite you to register through it. A detailed breakdown of the referral system with the math by levels will be in a separate video. Let's head back to the main dashboard. Bytnex is a DeFi staking platform with a 10-year history under different names, a transparent structure, and real payouts. Contracts activate in 1 to 3 days, then run automatically, with earnings compounding daily. If you want to get started, the registration link with my upline sponsor is in the description. Use it so the sponsor gets added automatically. Subscribe to the channel. More detailed breakdowns on deposits, withdrawals, and strategies are coming. Good luck!